How to manage your connectors in AnyGen. Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching how to manage your connectors in AnyGen. So to manage your connector in AnyGen, all we need to do is open up our AnyGen right here. So once we open up our AnyGen, to manage our connectors right here, or the apps that are connected right here, all we need to do is click on the top left corner right there. As you can see right there, click on the top left corner. After pressing on the top left corner right there, next thing we need to do is once we're here, click on our profile on the top left corner. After pressing on profile on the top left corner, next thing you need to do right here, go down and you'll see connectors. Press on the connectors right there. So here, as you can see right now, here are all the connected accounts. As you see, we can connect this, but if it's already connected, we can now remove it. So if you can ask how can we remove it? So there will be a remove connection right there, or unconnect will be shown in right here once you are connected to, for example, you're connected to Slack or Google Drive, you can now unconnect it right here. So there you go. And not only that, right there you can also change you can, let's say you want to change your, what do you call this, account right here, your email account. I suggest deleting the account, then signing in again with a different account. But if you want to know how to delete your account, you can watch it here on How to Rock It. It's titled How to Delete Your Account here on AnyGen. So yeah, there you go guys, I suggest you watching those. So yeah, there you go guys, I hope you guys liked the video, enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, you can always leave a question below guys. I'll be happy to answer as soon as possible on here on How to Rock It guys. There you guys, see you in the next one, and thank you guys.